Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome back to your channel. This is Shobtik, and you're watching ytsoupart. Today's drawing is a combination of a celebrity and a sports person, actually both, who is someone from my continent. I've just broadened the horizon because I just wanted to feel proud of him, and I obviously am, because this is a drawing of Son Heung-Min. Son Heung-Min, the very famous football star, soccer star if you are in some parts of the world where football is also known as soccer, then he is a soccer or a football player, and he plays for Tottenham Hotspur. It's an English football club, and he plays for his country, obviously. The last time I think which made him as a global icon was the goal against Germany in the last Football World Cup. That is the most viewed, most popular sports tournament in the world. So I remember him from long back when he was playing in the Bundesliga, the German Premier League for football. And then after he just joined Tottenham, and since I watch a lot of English Premier League football, so I have been following him, and he is a brilliant, I would say, striker and a winger. So I thought of drawing him because I was recently watching few documentaries on South Korea, and I realized that how much of a big icon he is. And recently he was awarded the very prestigious FIFA Puskas Award, that is for 2020, for his goal that was in 2019 December against Burnley. I had this good fortune of watching that match live, where Heung-Min Son was having the ball from his half, and he carried on till the goal, and he did not stop. In the acceptance interview, he also mentioned that he was searching for his colleagues, for his teammates, but nobody was around, hence he had to go on for the ball, and somehow it got scored. But I do believe that he is very, very much talented to score those kinds of goals, and he has done, scored many such world-class goals. This goal, the Puskas Award goal, it particularly reminded me of a 1986 World Cup goal of Maradona, where he had to dribble many English defenders and players. Then he scored the goal. So it was a real proud moment for me too, that when Heung-Min Son was awarded this Puskas Award. Coming back to the drawing, what I did was, I started today, I wanted to show you how I do the outlines, even though on flat surface it's a bit difficult, but it was fine for me. What I did is I made the outlines, and then I went ahead with my charcoal pencils. Then once the charcoal was completed, I felt like doing some kind of a much more detailing for that. But I at first tried to use the graphite pencil, but then I thought that let's keep it on charcoal based, because I was not that much inclined to bring out the realism too much. So I just had to draw him, and the resemblance was the most important thing. So this is a kind of a drawing that I love to do. This is my style. I believe this is what I like to do on paper. Nowadays, since I am doing a lot more on iPads and digital drawing, which has been helpful, and which is something that you guys have also liked. So I just keep on doing these things once in a week for sure. So I would love to know how you feel about this drawing. How would you want me to draw in the future, like for 2021? If you have any kind of a suggestion, then I would really like to keep all of them in my mind, and then make out, like chalk some kind of decisions of what I need to draw in the coming weeks, and that will help. So your comments are something that I love, I cherish. So keep commenting, guys. Your comments something which encourages me to draw every day, and that's something that I really want. So guys, please comment. If you have liked the video, then hit the like button. If you have suggestions for me, then please write me up. You can ping me on Instagram. If you have something to know about drawings, then definitely we can have a chat on Instagram. And if you have things that you think I can improve, then also you can comment. That will also help my channel and me as an artist. So thanks for watching this video. I will keep you up with the music for the rest part of the video. If you're new to this channel, and if you are thinking of subscribing some things, which some kind of a channel which helps your drawing, which helps you to understand drawing much better or make you a better artist, or if you're starting, then this is the right channel where you have been. So please hit the subscribe button, because that's something that I think you will not regret ever. So see you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe and happy holidays. Bye.